Presenting the water-based marker range by Montana Colors. 20 matte finish colors with high-quality pigments that match the water-based spray paint range. The markers are available in 6 different sizes: ultra fine 0.8 millimeters, extra fine 1.2 millimeters, fine 3 millimeters, medium 5 millimeters, chisel 8 millimeters, square 15 millimeters. Shake well and press down on the tip to make the paint flow. The colors are opaque and fast drying to the touch. To keep your hands clean, we recommend using gloves. Ideal for paper, wood, plastic, metal, glass, brick. How would you use them?